been losing hair for the past 3 months and I don't know what to do about it. What Indian hair remedies would you recommend?
You just need 3 ingredients. Go to your local Indian grocery store and buy curry leaves, fenugreek seeds, and amla. You're going to start by taking a handful of curry leaves, a handful of fenugreek seeds, and you're just going to roast them on low heat. Add in 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Leave it on low heat for half an hour. Take 1 amla, chop it up, and let the juice marinate in the coconut oil. Amla is naturally really rich in vitamin C, and it's a miracle conditioner, a very potent gooseberry which will really help to grow naturally long, thick hair. Make sure you let your hair oil cool down overnight and then apply it the next morning. It's going to turn into this beautiful natural green color, safe for all hair types, and it'll be enough hair oil to last you for a few weeks.